How to fix Instagram automatic turn off problem solve. Hello guys, welcome back to another brand new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram automatically turning off problem solve. So basically here I hope everyone is facing this problem right now. That is if you open Instagram and it's just turning off by itself, then this is the perfect video for you to fix the problem. Okay, so guys, what you need to do, first of all, you just need to go to your Play Store, and after going to Play Store, this is just a basic. Okay, I'm going to show you some tricks here and you can apply and fix the problem. So after going to Play Store or App Store, if you're using iOS, go to App Store, and then here you have to search for Instagram. Okay, and after searching for Instagram, what you need to do here is that you can see here update option. If your Instagram is not updated, make sure to update your Instagram. Okay, after updating your Instagram, you can just go and check it out whether the problem has been solved or not. Guys, if it is not solved, then no need to worry. I have again another way to solve this issue. You have to just simply go to your phone settings. Okay, after going to phone settings, here you just need to scroll down. Okay, and after scrolling down, you need to go to apps or app management or install apps. Okay, it's same on different on other devices, but in it's almost same. It will be written as apps or app management or install apps, like that. Just tap on it and go to app management or app list. Okay, so here you'll get all the application which has been already installed to your phone. So it will take a few seconds to load the page. So guys, now here what you need to do, here you have to search for Instagram. Okay, or you can search from the search bar on the top. You can see, you can just type Instagram. Here it is. Simply you need to click on Instagram, and after this you can see this type of interface will be pop up. So here you have to click on force stop, and then here you have to stop the force. Okay, so after doing this, you just need to click on storage usage. You can see here storage usage. In other devices it will be somewhere here down, up, or somewhere, but there will be a option as storage usage. Simply click on it, and then here you can see clear data option. Simply click on clear data and make sure that you clear all the data. I'm just showing you the demo. Okay, so after this you have to clear the cache also. After doing this, just go back and click on permission option, and then here you have to allow each and every permission. Okay, make sure to allow the permission, camera, location, microphone, phone, storage, everything. You have to allow each and everything here. Now after doing this, just go back and then you can check it out whether the problem has been solved or not. Guys, if it is not solved, then no need to worry. I have again another solution for this. You just need to do one thing, that is you have to delete your Instagram from your device. Okay, after deleting your Instagram, you just need to switch off your phone and then switch on it, and then after doing this, you just need to go to Google Play Store and then re-download the Instagram application and then log in it. The problem will absolutely solve. I hope this video is absolutely helpful for you. Thanks for watching guys. See you soon on the next video.